lost like this. Only got a few seconds, so I'll post it in the shorts. Pretty sure I'm focused. Yeah. It's moving up, down, and move to the right a bit. Panning down now. Now it's going to the right a little bit. Now it's just hovering there. Might disappear. There it goes. See that? Pan around. Gone. There it goes. There it is. Seeing a little blink in there too. There it goes. Looks like a red one there. Ooh, it's moving up, moving down. Could be a drone. No. Nope. Possibly. Huh. The other one had like a green light. Usually the drones would be kind of multicolored, I think. But I'm sure they have maybe one color setting. It's right here, going down right here where we capture a lot of other weird stuff. It is about to be 8:30, 8:28. We'll see if anything else pops up. Like I said earlier, there was one that came down right behind here. I only captured a little bit of it. And this one over here, I don't know, it seemed like it disappeared in front of us. It could be that, they turned off the lights if it's a drone. And let me know what you guys think. I just thought it was a little odd. That's a star. I don't know. Kind of want to keep this rolling for a bit in case anything else pops up. Sounds like plans changed a little bit for the Los Padres expedition here. So one man down, but yeah, we're planning to meet up tomorrow. You'll see where we meet up. It's gonna be a fun spot I've never been to here in town. It's a special tavern. And it's actually near where I used to live too. It's up in the Los Feliz area. And I'm excited about that. So hopefully that does go down. That'll be hopefully sometime tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab a few last things. essentials, food, water, a few supplies. Probably stop by my bros, pick up some things there, hiking sticks and all that. Look, that's what a helicopter looks like. Give you an idea, but you know, there's all sorts of different craft. That's your commercial airplane. What do you think? Anyway, we'll be in touch.